Okay, good afternoon, students. As we spoke yesterday, just regarding the introduction, today we are going to in detail about each and every tool we are going to use in the AI and digital marketing. Okay, most of the people you use ChatGPT. Apart from that, like maximum Canva, but we can use Grammarly. Okay, we can use like different tools are there for slides. Yesterday, someone asked me a question about Google Slides. You're the one, right? Asked about Google Slides. PPT, yeah. Yeah. We will also discuss about PPT, how you are going to prepare, and which in a short span of time. And I spoke about AI journalist means like those who are going to use multiple tools, make their work shorter. Okay. So how we are going to connect these tools, like how we are going to process the from one tool to another tool. We'll discuss in detail today. So as usual, we'll start out with the understanding the ecosystem. I'll give an example. Like, see, we have a gun. If you want to fire it, you should at least know the mechanism, right? You can't just take the gun and shoot it. It will backfire on you. You need to understand how gun works. The same way, you need to understand how the system works. Okay. AI ecosystem means like how it is created, how it is works, how it is created. Like you have to understand the mechanism. Okay. So we'll talk about the AI core team. I mean, like those who people are preparing those what do you call it, coding part, the core team. They are divided into like machine learning models or neural networks and computer framework. All single person cannot do all these things. They need a team. Each they divide into separate segments. Neural networks or like machine learning methods, which are we giving data that it learn. And neural networks, just like our human brain cells, where they have more than, as I said yesterday, more than 86,000 billion neuron cells, each every hand had. Okay, there is a saying in India itself, where in Telugu says like, recall, we have only two mysteries. One is outer space, another one is inner space. Right? Have you heard it? There is only two mysteries in this world. One is outer space. Second one is inner space. How does this works? It doesn't know till now. Maybe understanding outer surface, but true mechanism till now they're still searching for it. So the same thing, they're using the neural networks to process the top machine learning methods to connect it and designing the framework for complete AI system. Okay, this is the AI core part. We don't need to know much about it, just introduction is enough. And next, AI tools like natural language processing, which is called LLMs. Okay, what do you call this? ChatGPT, chatbots. That's a natural language processing, which is NLP. Okay, and computer vision tools such as what do you call image. You give the image, it understands the image and recreate a new image for you. Okay, that's the computer vision system. Like you have your eyes. Computer also needs eyes, right? Every human has your own eyes. So computer also need an eye. Like AI also need an eye. So we are using the image models for that. Okay. Next, predictive analytic tools. I mean, like for humans, as we have already said, as I told yesterday, reasoning. We have a reasoning capability, but by mere look, we can understand the pattern. But for computer, it need a proper analytical data to analyze the structure and everything. So based on the data, it structures the whole picture of the work or data. And I'm telling you one more time, please be attentive because it will affect your future. I'm not joking at all. And you don't have much time like us. You have very, very short period of time. Once you go into the market, either you are skilled with AI or out of the market. There is no other option. Okay. And I do understand most of the people at this age, they have some what you call impulsive nature. You somewhat disregard the reality, but be bit attentive. Okay. Because it will definitely affect your future. Okay. As I told you yesterday, the AI is very, very fast in its updates. Okay. Every day, like every year, we are getting one update from AI GPT-2 to GPT-5. It only took 3 years, 2 to 4 years, I think, in between. So the same thing doesn't happen for the computers or like coding part of software. So you have to understand the magnitude of the scale which you are experiencing the situation. Okay. So let's get on back system one. So tool users, you people, how you are segregated. Okay, in a primary way, we use the accessibility, like you tools like ChatGPT. You have accessibility, you're using it your own ability. Next is personalization. Like for example, let's take for each and individual, we can create our own system like chatbots or agents. They say ChatGPT, you're using your personal account, right? That's your personal account. That's like individual account. Everyone will have it. But when it comes to the agent system, how does it works? It connects multiple systems in a single thing. Let's take a real estate company. I'll throw it out. I'll definitely throw it out. Okay. Nothing. Let's get back to the topic. Yeah. Let's take real estate company. They have a multiple process of marketing. First, they'll use the digital marketing, get the data. From there, they will call, message, email, and finally, they're going for the sale. This is usual process, right? Am I right or not? Come on, man, react. Is it not a movie, right? Be interactive. So in the real estate, you have to get the contact, call, message, and email. Then you go for the site visit and sale. This is the process. It will take multiple people for calling one person, messaging one person, email one person, right? It's too much of work. Now let's use AI. Here what happens, the agent, the first person who gets the data, fills it to the agent. Agent will take the person's name, email and phone number and create a draft, personalize each person with their name. It will send a message to the particular person and email. If it gets any reply, it will track that reply based on the sincerity of the tone of the reply or their intention. It will segregate the complete system into organized segments like top priority, second priority, third priority, and then it forward to the what you call the callers, telecallers. Okay. If you observe, in between we just remove two persons and remove the most of their time and space. You can understand, right? The agent it's completely a complete system automation. It's complete automation. This comes to the personalization, which is called like agent system. What I call. Next, broader audience. Like we can most of the people we use ChatGPT and agents. Apart from that, we can also, from your level of things, we can also prepare small systems. Like let's take, when I yesterday told you about an idea about product, I'll give a small outer layer. We are thinking about creating an AI for schools. Like we have principal, teachers and students, right? So we want to create a AI which is useful for complete school system. Principal will have a complete data of the teachers. Teachers will have a data of students. And for students, they work as an assistant or like a co-teacher or personal teacher. Okay, and it will segregate the students' data, how much they are working, how much they are like understanding, and update it to the teacher. And most of the people have understood, like in your schools, to do a homework, teacher has to verify each and every book, right? Now, in a fast forwarding world, we don't have that much of time. So what you're going to do, you can make it into the AI, which will reduce the work. So for this model, normally we spend lakhs of money to create a final product. But before that, we can use the present available AI tools to create a MVP, what we call most viable product. It is working or not. You can try it with one couple of two schools. If it is working, you can go for the full length picture. Major players in AI, most of you are already aware: OpenAI, Google, Meta, Microsoft Copilot. Okay, and I'm telling you, they are dumping crores of money, like lakhs of crores. Okay, complete from as per statistics, the money spent in AI is equal to last 15 to 20 years of the money we have spent in the software. That is the amount they are spending in present AI system. Okay, so you have to understand how much we are going ahead. And I again mentioning, you don't need to know the coding part. You just need to understand how to use the available tools. Okay. Next, automations. As I told you already, automation is a present situation. I'm telling you, like before I said, right? AI will not take your jobs. Those will take your jobs are the people who use AI. Okay. So let's say as example, if you know automation of doing automation and if you don't know automation, obviously we look for the people who are good at automation. Excuse me. Okay. We obviously look for the people who are good at automation. Okay, because it will reduce the work, reduce the cost and space. Obviously, in today's culture, Hyderabad, the office spacing is very costly, as you already understood. So obviously, they are trying to reduce as much as possible. Nothing but 20 years. Personalization, same thing, but detailed. Let's take it in a better way. As I told you about the personalized chatbot. In the future, if you like present itself, if you take ChatGPT, ChatGPT Go, it is monthly costing around like $399. Okay, but if you take that, you can make that complete ChatGPT account into your personalized system. But the problem is all your data is going to the centralized system of the ChatGPT. That is the main problem. Most of the people, how it works means, what do you call it? They are trying to avoid their information to be leaked. I'll give one more analogy. It just happened in like 2 years back, like in a financial company. The particular employee doesn't like he wanted to make it to be completed in short period of time. So what he did, he gave the complete confidential document to the ChatGPT and tried to generate a sheet out of like using AI. But the problem is that's a very confidential document. When the manager got to know him, fired out of the office. So at present, most of the software companies, they use entrepreneurship package or business plan, which the complete data is localized. They're using ChatGPT, but the ChatGPT is localized. Okay, they're using the OpenAI model like ChatGPT 4 or 4 mini. They're using the model, but making it localized because they don't want their data to come out of it. What do you call it? Thing. I'll give you one more example. My own sister, she's working in Infosys. Yes, they have separate own AI system. They're using the AI, but they have their own name and separate localization because the companies doesn't want their data to go out of their control. Okay. Next, targeted customization and customized recommendations. Example, Netflix, AHA, what do you call OTT apps. They keep on giving you the best recommendations available based on your patterns. The same YouTube also. Okay. Analytics and large database. Let's give you one more analogy. Let's take same what you call real estate business, where you all business people. Yeah, come on. Let's take the real estate itself. Okay, it's a large business. There are crores of cost is flowing, right? From marketing to sales and everything. They're spending crores for the real estate. Okay, if you take the data which they have, okay, if you want to organize it, you have to spend most of your time on the data on what you call Excel sheets. Okay, but now what happened with AI? They can sort out all the data. Okay, and they can target the people they're really interested in the buying of the particular plot. I'll give one more example. Last year, like before 2 years, I was working for a Saffron Valley, which is a Hyderabad-based company, and their each plot costs around like 1.5 crores. Okay, they are spending monthly around 3 to 4 lakhs of ad budget, and we used to get a number of inquiries or details. So for us, it became a bit of what do you call it, challenge to identify all the data, because for day one we get 30, day to 30. By end of the 30th day, we'll have a bulk data. Okay, we have to verify each and every one. Like first, for example, day one I got 10 calls. Like I gave 10 calls, and 2 people said call me on 20th. Understanding, right? I got, for example, let's take day one, I got 30 calls. I got 30 numbers. I gave them a call, and a couple of people said, call me on 20th. A couple of people on 15th, like that. So next day, I got same 30 to 40 calls, like numbers. So the data kept stacking up. So in this big data, we need a proper analytical or data system. Okay. Now we are using AI where we can sort out the data, making it the segments available for easy use. Okay. And we can make it targeted precision marketing. Predictive analysis, forecasting the futures. And if you go to Google Ads, there is a keyword planner. I mean, like predicting the number of people gonna click on your ad. Let's take watch. What is your name? Soil. Let's take Soil has started a some XY company like which sells watches. Okay. Now you want to use this Google Ads to sell his watches to the public. Okay. Now let's take how you're gonna list it. Like how you're gonna optimize the ad budget. I mean, like amount you have for marketing and make it best out of the spending. Okay. So what you're gonna do is we're gonna use the keyword research. We have multiple tools, not only Google keyword planner. We have other tools as well, but keyword planner is a inbuilt Google system, so we use most of it. And so what we do is like we give some examples, then it will give the other available tools. It will mention how many clicks you can expect in a month in that particular area. Let's take only Hyderabad. How much we can expect in that particular Hyderabad area about watches, how much we are getting the clicks. Okay. Based on that keywords, like statistical data, we can maximize our ad budget or ad spend into the market. Improved decision making also, because when you have a data, you can have a improved decision because don't need to go for blindly guessing, right? You have a proper data, you can get a ready-made answer. Next, Grammarly AI. So Grammarly, most of you people have used it, but let me give you a couple of examples. You can, my suggestion is go download Grammarly, use it as an extension, and same way when you're typing some what you call documents or presentations or what you call your ideas into the doc, you use the docs, right? Google Docs or Word document you're using for your typing, but try to use it in the Grammarly where you can decide the tone you want to mention. For example, you can say, you come and sit. That's a rude tone. Okay. Hey, please come and sit. That's a friendly tone. Hey, come on, man, sit. That's a enthusiasm. The tone difference is there. It can even, Grammarly can identify the tone difference. Before you set the document, you can set the tone difference and it will suggest you how to write. Okay. So with using of AI, it became even more advanced where you'll get a couple of suggestions before itself. For half the sentence, you'll get a couple of suggestions. We'll talk about it in detail. Okay. Canva, my favorite subject because it will reduce my work a lot. Okay. In Canva, you can, for your presentation, you can use Canva. For your social media, how many of you have Instagram accounts? Like, none of you have accounts? Sahil, you don't have Instagram?
No, sorry.
No.
I have X account. I have an X account.
Which one? You don't have Instagram account?
No.
You are a rare specimen, you know. You're a rare specimen. Come on, just kidding. Don't take it personal. I'm just kidding. Okay. Because in today's generation, Instagram and Facebook became a common thing. Okay. I'm just joking. Don't take it personal. Okay. Because it's the first time hearing a college student doesn't have an Instagram account. Most of people have Instagram accounts. Okay. So you want to post something. You want to optimize your photo or filter it. Okay. You can use Canva. Okay. Or for example, let's take Sahil. You started a watch company. So you want to post his watch in Instagram and Facebook. Okay. But he doesn't have a designer. He doesn't want to spend design because he has college students. He doesn't want to spend the money. So what you can do, go for Canva, Canva free is there. For advanced thing, you can pay 200 or 500 per month. But for free option we have, you can use the free option. We'll talk about the Canva in detail as I already opened it. We'll talk about in practical as well. But you can use the Canva and give your proper command. Okay, if you give a proper command, it will give the optimal output. Okay, or you can use it for like letterheads, everything. Grammarly and AI we already spoke. Right, templates. Okay, now let me ask you a question. Most of the people may not have idea about how to give a proper command to the AI. Okay, now what we're going to use, we are going to use the ChatGPT, ask it to give a command so that we can use that same command in the Canva. Okay, let's take act as a prompt engineer and give me a Canva AI prompt for my watch company Instagram post. I'm asking ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer and give me a command to for a what you call Canva AI to create a watch post. What do you call? Okay. Now, if you see what I did, I used two AI tools to reduce my work because I don't have exact idea how to give a proper command to the Canva because I can't detail in detail. So what I did, I went to ChatGPT. I mentioned that I need a command prompt for that particular AI tool. Okay, it is because it has read lot of comments like prompts and everything. It has a proper mechanism of its own. So it gave a proper command. What do you call this? See, all this happened in a span of 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, we got a prompt. We gave a prompt to Canva and we got a template. Here in this template, we can use and we can fix our logos or content, whatever we needed. And the same thing, if you go to the Canva, if you give even more detailed prompt, it will give even better one. Let's take, I want to offer a 50% off. Make it look more professional. And we are going to the back system. So now, so what we did, we just tweaked this small thing. We gave a ChatGPT and it gave a command, but we thought the look is not good. We want a better command. Okay, I want to offer a 50% off. Okay, here, experience the timeless elegance of our exclusive collections. Present 50% off. Here you can add your details, logo, company details and everything. It become a 2 minutes creative. Just happened 2 minutes Maggie, 2 minutes creative. Okay. So I hope you get the picture of it out of it, right? The AI thing, it's not about just one particular tool. It's about multiple tools acting together to give the best output in shortest time possible. Okay. Later is so presentations. Most of you are eager to know, sir, how to make a better presentation using AI, right? Most of you are using your daily work or your classes. Okay. So open a blank presentation page, go to extensions, add on, get add-ons.
Excuse me. I have one slide.
Yeah, please take it.
Hey, this I-
Okay. So we got to the AI. Okay. Sorry, we got to the PPT. What you call Google Slides. We added add-on type AI, and we get a couple of options. Install one. Okay. Now let's check. This is a empty what you call blank presentation. Now we will prepare a presentation in a couple of like maximum 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Extension slide over generate new slides. Okay. Now the AI is going to ask a couple of questions. You can answer them. Okay. As a first time system, okay, we are using this basic offer, free offer. We don't need anything. Now let's take in a simple analogy. You people, BPA students, you need to create a project file. I think in third year. Okay, about a business model that is not available in the market and how you want to present it. Let's say same thing. Product launch. Okay. This topic. Continue. Presentation type. What we can even mention the type of the presentation we want to pitch. Business pitch. Audience. Who are our audience? We can give the audience as well, like angel investors. We are presenting our what you call business proposal to the investors for our raising money. So we can give the purpose of it, tone of that. As I told you, the tone is very important for a business. As I already aware of your business books, the way you speak will reflect on your business. So how do you want to present it? Like authoritative, confident, or enthusiastic? Okay. Authoritative means like when you speak of things, it will what you call it will create strong impact on the person. Like create your image of authority. Okay, we can deal more aggressively. Let's take enthusiastic because we are a startup. You want to be enthusiastic, not authoritative. Language English. Okay, now we need the AI prompt or way of the data. So we'll go to ChatGPT again. New slide. Here I'm telling you one more thing. In ChatGPT, you have to give it a proper command. I mean, like, can't just say I'm preparing a PPT. Give me prompt. You have to mention your details. You need to feed it what you exactly needed. Let's say going to present my AI tool for schools. No, I'm going to present my AI tool, which is useful for school management, for investors to raise money and give me a prompt in 600 words. So when you give this, it will give you a proper thing, copy it, go to the slide. Here, oh, too much characters. Say in 600 we made a small mistake. Instead of words, instead of characters, we gave words. So we can rectify it. Now see, and give a copy and let's go delete. Paste. Now it is asking, is it a live presentation or just go for the live presentation? Now it is preparing the slides for you. Everything is happening in a small span of time. Okay. Unraveling AI-powered school management platform. First slide. You don't need to prepare the content as well. You'll get the content as well as the key points, everything, and how many slides needed. Okay, total we have 16, 17 slides. Next, continue. Images. Which are the images you are going to use? Like only images or stock images, or you want your personal images? You can rectify it. Let's go with the AI images. Now it is creating the content which is generated. Using the same content, it is creating the slides. Okay. The complete 17 slides, it is preparing within a maximum of 2 minutes. The same thing, if you do it personally, it will take at least half an hour to 1 hour, right? So here the AI minimizes your work to the most compatible time. And one more thing, you can later customize it. There is no need to wait like, sir, it is giving the automated system. Can I customize it? Basically, you can customize your own presentation. So, any doubts so far? We can go further, but present any doubts regarding ChatGPT or Canva or Google Slides, whatever it may be. No doubts? Come on, man. Please be a bit interactive. I'm not doing some technical stuff.
If you present that slide in front of anyone, are they able to see that it is made of AI or person?
It depends. How you present it, it depends. Like some AI tools are there where they can easily identify because same pattern, same thing for everyone, it easily identified. But if you use the proper command and use the proper tool, they cannot find it. Let's say this particular thing, it has a proper system. After it is generated, you have to customize it. Yesterday I mentioned it. AI, it's gonna reduce your hard work, not your smart work or your creativity. So after it is done your slides, use your creativity, optimize it, and then present it. Okay, we can't directly go AI, give me a slide, then push it into the product launch. The investor will say, go off, right? Yes, now it is ready. See, from empty slides, we got our PPT ready. Now, what you can do is you can change the theme as well. Let's take theme, how you gonna present it. You can change accordingly. Okay. So now, all it took is exactly I started at 2:02. Now it is 2:11. Means 9 minutes. In 9 minutes, we got the content from ChatGPT. We use the same prompt, and in using the Google slides, we prepared a 17 slide presentation, meaning outline. Later you can customize accordingly your wishes. So now you get the advantage of the AI, right?
Yes, sir.
At least respond, man. I mean, I'm giving like, yeah. So now let's talk about the marketing center. For this, I don't have any presentation, but we can speak like freely. So, anyone have any business idea to start? We can discuss based on that. It will be easy to interact. Anyone having any?
Because we are going to product issue.
That's great. Come on. You tell me your just any idea possible.
Sir,
Your idea of product.
sir, my brand name is NutriBytes.
Come on.
My brand name is NutriBytes,
Okay.
and I'm gonna sell fox nuts.
Sorry.
Fox nuts, makhanas.
Okay.
Because makhanas contains more protein, and they are and you get more in quantity at very less price. So
I asked you to tell me the product, but you didn't tell me. At least when he's telling, please zip it up, please.
So I will add some of my flavors also. There are 3 flavors I am introducing. So like that I will. And about marketing, I didn't thought.
No. I'm just asking about the product. That's it. Because based on that, yeah, please. So let's take. He has a business idea, which is to what is that name?
NutriBytes.
NutriBytes. You want to provide a nutritious food with a tasty taste. Okay. Now he has 3 flavors. Now we are going to picture out of the marketing system based on his particular idea. Okay. Let's take your business is located in Hyderabad, Bangalore, Hyderabad itself. His business is located in Hyderabad. It's offline or offline? Online. Both. Okay. Let's take he has situated his restaurant or what you call shop in Gachibowli. Okay. That's an offline business. Online you can go to complete around like 5 to 6 kilometers or 10 kilometers is the radius of business in the first starting business. Okay. So now let's discuss how we are going to use the digital marketing and market his particular business. Okay. Let's take what are the main audience who are going to come to his shop.
Gym guys.
Gym, like those fitness freaks. Okay, still, come on, I need an interaction, guys. I'm not giving you some philosophical lecture here. It is your own business lecture. Like you're having your business in couple of years, you'll graduate out of your BBA or BCA. So come on, be interactive. He said a complete business idea, and I'm asking you at least what is the marketing segment audience. So he said fitness freaks or fitness people, fitness enthusiasts. So any other people? Sorry? Dieting people, those who are like having their issues with diets. Okay, next. Students, old age people. Kids. That's not going to happen, man. It's already flavored is there, but the problem is that's a nutritious system which is above the 5 to 7 years old. They don't have interest on this what is it? Fox nuts. They're interested in candies. Some have, but we want to capture the majority of the market, not the some market. Think it. Okay, so let's take here we have people, fitness enthusiasts, students or college students, diabetic issue people or diets, those are following diets, and elderly people, those who are having their health issues. Okay, so now let's divide these two marketing segments. Okay, for what you call youth, healthy, and energetic people, one set. Let's take elderly, what you call having issues with their health issues, and this is second segment. So now let's target the people who are going for the youth people. Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. Okay, these are the things most of the youth people are available. Let's take elderly. Google, YouTube. Okay, now we got an idea what our market audience are outline. Okay, now we have prepared two segments of marketing persons. One is for the youth where we can use the particular tools, and for elderly particular tools. Now next step, let's take what is a marketing budget. Example, let's take 50K per month. Okay, and in this particular product, based on the set 2 of audience, which is elderly, set 1 will more interested because they roam outside more, so they crave it more. Okay, now from highest, like his shop is nearby, so from here 6 kilometers is our targeting audience. Okay, so go to Facebook, marketing, advertisement, go to Meta Ads. What do we do? We target 18 to 35 or 18 to 30 years of the people who are fitness freaks. What are the fitness freaks' interests? Gyms or bodybuilding or what you call nutrition, as it is. This is the interest they will give. You people will given, right? When we are creating a Facebook, I say, I'm interested in cars, I'm interested in bikes. You have given your own likes and dislikes in your Facebook profile. So based on that data, the Facebook ads will segregate the particular set of people, will target them. Okay. So in digital before going to the digital marketing, let's talk about the marketing sector. How the marketing has evolved and how your digital marketing. I'll give one fact. The hard fact is digital marketers has forgotten the marketing. Most of the people, I'm telling you, the digital marketers has forgotten the basic marketing system. And most of them, coaching centers also, they're just teaching the Google ads or tools itself, but they're not teaching the marketing concepts. Okay, in your BBA, there's a 4P system, right? Place, price, 5P. So most of the people, digital marketers, they doesn't have even basic idea what is 5P system. Okay. So let's take the same example. I'm giving you the person who has the idea about the marketing system, what you call regular marketing, and those digital marketer who doesn't have the idea of the marketing. Let's use the both segments. Let's say he is the person without any marketing system. What he does is he directly goes to the Google Ads, select the age system, and runs the ads. They're burning the money. But let's take the person who So let's take the person who has marketing idea, like marketing knowledge. So price, place, promotions, these are the things which it majorly look into, right? So the same segment will do it. Promotions. In the promotions, how we are going to target? Targeting is happened. How you are going to present it? For digital marketers, most of the thing is the templates. Take the template, edit it, push it. But you have to think out of the box to get the maximum result. Okay, and I'll give an example. See, recently when AI got a bit popular, there was one particular post. They have in a particular using AI that there will be a capsule. In the capsule, half of the side will be the company logo, other half will be the whatever the company's product or service will be there. It became a popular. From 1%, it has spread to the complete market. Doesn't matter it's service or product based. Everyone started using that particular post to every person. Okay. Here, someone has set the trend and you're following it, but you're not setting any trend, right? Sorry, you're not setting any trends. Means you're following someone else blindly. So that's what I'm telling you. If you know the marketing system, you can think out of the box and prepare the marketing strategy. Okay, let's take the place in Hyderabad. It's a complete mixed of the people. We can't say only Telangana people here. We have Telangana, Andhra, Karnataka, even from Punjab also we have people here. So you can't particularly target only same ad. We can't run for all the people. So you have to think what is the place from this particular place. What is the how many number of people are there? Like how many group of people are there? How can we target them beyond digital marketing, right? So what I'm going to say is, don't just learn the tools, learn the principles behind the marketing as well. Okay. So right now, today we have given the glimpses of ChatGPT using then Canva, then goes to the Grammarly. So tomorrow, what we're going to talk about is, tomorrow I'll give a sheet where you'll have 100 comments. You can use it for your ChatGPT work. Only for your age students, comments I'll give you. So you can use it freely and copy paste it. You can use it for you understand. Okay, tomorrow we are going to understand the prompting from all the tools. ChatGPT, image models, video models. You're going to use video models, and tomorrow we are going to create a 10 seconds video clip. Okay, and sorry,
Yes.
tomorrow. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Day after tomorrow. Tomorrow is all day, right? So no problem. Once you come back from your celebrations, you can do your thing. Okay. So now let's wrap up the whole session. In today's session, we spoke about AI ecosystem. We have 3 ecosystems: AI engineers, okay, AI tool builders, and AI users. AI core engineers, we can't reach that stage, so let's forget about it. Let's go to the AI tool designers. These people, they get the already prepared model from the core engineers and they prepare their AI tools. Okay, let's take the Canva and ChatGPT are the core engineers. Okay, but when it comes to the tools you generally use in your regular life, apps, chat apps, or like websites. In websites, you have a personal system, right? Chatting system. Chat with, for example, if you some particular big hospitals, they started using chatbot for their customer services. Instead of before they used to have a particular set of customers, like customer care service members. They're going to chat with those customers. Now they're using the chatbots to the customers. So that is the second system. What you call AI tool builders or tool system, backend system. Next is the AI users, or you people or we people. In the AI users also, we have a different levels. We'll talk about it in detail when it comes to the prompt engineering. But you have to understand. You have to understand the level of complexity you are going to use it. You can't just use one tool. You have to understand multiple tools. And one more advantage you people have is, very beautiful thing is, you have at least 2 years, right? 2 years of time before you go into the market. In those 2 years, you can explore n number of AI tools. Just don't just stick it in the ChatGPT or Canva. Try to explore new AI tools. You have all free options available for every tool. Try to explore as much as possible. Okay. Try to explore as much as possible. Go with different tools. You can understand, like for some people, some tools work, but some other people, other work. So you have to explore your own because you have time. But for us, like for me, we don't have time because we, as a business thing, we have to follow the top 10 or top 20 tools we have to available ready, learn it and use it, because we don't have that much of time to spend for learning. But you have the time, 2 years of time or 1 year of time, which you can use to explore n number of marketing tools. So my question is simple. On the day after tomorrow, which is 28th, right? 28th, each one of you to mention a separate AI tool, minimum 3 tools. I don't want the same repeat. Sir, ChatGPT, Canva, Grammarly. You have to mention the name of the 3 AI tools apart from those popular available on the market. Okay, explore it. You have 1.5 day or 2 days. Explore it. Okay, come up with the ideas. Got it right? Come up with the ideas and tell me the 3 AI tools that you have tried in this complete 2 days. And then don't tell me, sir, I don't have subscription. There is no subscription for tools, most of the tools. Okay. So any other doubts? And I'm telling one more time, try different AI tools. You'll understand the complexity of the tools. And one more thing, from the next class onwards, get a book and pen so that you can write on the notes which I'm going to give you. And next class, I'm going to chat WhatsApp group, yes, a college group itself. Okay, or we can use any other group available for you. Okay, in that I'll be keep on updating the new tools or availabilities based on as we proceed in the classings. Okay.